Once upon a time, in a busy city, there lived a young boy named Arjun. He was full of energy, dreams, and ambition. He wanted to achieve something great in life, become successful, respected, and happy. But there was one problem. His mind was like a butterfly, never still. When he tried to study, his mind drifted toward games. When he sat to read, his thoughts wandered to social media. Even when he wanted to work hard, laziness and distractions always pulled him away. Arjun was intelligent, but his lack of discipline made him waste time. One evening, frustrated with his failures, he went to visit his grandfather, who was known in the family for his wisdom and calm nature. Arjun sat down and said, "Dada, I want to succeed, but my mind doesn't listen to me. It jumps from one thing to another. I don't know how to control it. Please teach me." The grandfather smiled, poured a cup of tea, and handed it to Arjun. The cup was filled to the very top. He said, "Walk across the courtyard with this cup of tea. But remember, if even one drop spills, you will have to start again." Arjun carefully stood up, holding the cup with both hands. His eyes were fixed on the tea, his steps slow, and his focus unbroken. Step by step, he reached the other side without spilling a drop. His grandfather asked, "How did you manage that?" Arjun replied, "I focused only on the cup. I didn't think of anything else." The grandfather smiled and said, "That, my son, is discipline. The mind is like this cup. If you let your thoughts wander everywhere, you spill your time and energy. But if you train your mind to stay focused, you can achieve anything." These words struck Arjun deeply. He realized that his biggest enemy was not outside, but inside, his own undisciplined mind. From that day, he decided to change. At first, it was hard. When he sat to study, he felt like checking his phone. When he started working, his friends distracted him. But each time, he remembered the teacup. He told himself, "If I can control my focus, I won't spill my future." Slowly, he began to train his mind. He set small goals: 1 hour of study without distraction, 30 minutes of reading without touching the phone, practicing self-control even when no one was watching. Each day, he got better. Days turned into months, and months into years. The boy who once wasted his time became one of the top students in his school. Later, he became a disciplined professional, respected for his focus and determination. One day, people asked him the secret of his success. Arjun simply said, "Talent and intelligence are gifts, but they are useless without discipline. A disciplined mind can turn dreams into reality, but an undisciplined mind can destroy even the brightest future." The truth is, discipline does not mean living without freedom. It means guiding your freedom in the right direction. Just like fire can burn a house if uncontrolled, but can cook food and give warmth when disciplined, the mind too can destroy or build your life. Your mind will always try to distract you. It will say, "Relax, check your phone, waste time, do it tomorrow." But discipline is the voice that says, "No, stay focused, finish what matters, your future depends on it." The greatest battles are not fought on the battlefield, but inside your mind. If you can win against laziness, distraction, and negativity, you can win against anything. Remember this: a restless mind makes you weak. A disciplined mind makes you powerful. So train your mind, control your thoughts, stay focused on what truly matters. Because success doesn't belong to the most talented or the most intelligent. It belongs to those who master their mind. Arjun's story teaches us an unforgettable lesson. Your mind can either be your best friend or your worst enemy. The choice is yours. Discipline it, and it will take you to heights you never imagined. Leave it uncontrolled, and it will pull you down to places you never wanted to be. Moral of the story: discipline your mind, and the world will open its doors for you.